Okay, the different types of ROM are here. One is PROM, it is programmable read only memory. Here the memory is programmed. Programs means written or cannot be removed or cannot be erasable. Okay, it is permanent forever. EPROM, erasable programmable read only memory. ROM, read only memory, erasable. We can erase the program or the data written here and also reprogram it. फिर से लिख सकते हैं, rewritten it. Another one is electronically erasable, EEPROM, electronically erasable. तो here it is erased by electricity or it is erasable by ultraviolet ray. The data here is erasable or erased by ultraviolet ray. When we are using or exposing it through a ultraviolet ray, then the programs or the data stored here is erased. Okay, this one is erasable or erased by electricity or electrically. Okay, we can erase the data here stored here is by a particular data bit by bit. Okay, and another one is flash memory. It is also a type of double EPROM. It is also a type of double EPROM, and here it is using or rearrange the program even when there is no power supply. Even when there is no power supply. So all these are the basic things of ROM, RAM, and your storage unit. Okay, one more thing, these all are the primary memory or main memory, or it is also called internal memory. These all are come under the internal memory. The ROM is used only for the booting process of your computer. ROM is used only for the booting process of your system or computer. It is called also system booting process. Okay, for the booting process the ROM is used. These are the ICs, integrated chip. These are not very expensive. These are not costly also. Okay. Next thing is secondary memory. Its memory capacity is very high. Also it is known as external memory. External memory we called it. Okay, the memory you are using externally, that are called secondary memory or external memory. So these memory are the data stored here. Data stored in secondary memory are permanent. These are stored, the data stored here are permanent, not erased. When you are switched off your computer, once the data are stored here is stored for permanent. Whenever you want to delete the data, then it was deleted. Okay, so the data also transfer here. The data stored here are the data stored here in the secondary memory are transferred to primary memory for the execution of the program or application. The data stored here are transferred transferred to the primary memory for the execution. ओके, स्टोर्ड तो यहाँ होता है, मगर जब एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहते हैं, उसको ओपन करना चाहेंगे, एट दैट टाइम द डाटा इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू द प्राइमरी मेमोरी. ओके, तो हियर many secondary memory are there. We are using example hard disk. It is hard disk, pen drive. You are using CD, DVD. All these are example of secondary memory. Okay, memory card, you can say it is one a memory card. Okay, these are secondary memory. One more thing, the memory or unit of memory, one more thing is there, is measured by something, and its unit is just like bit, byte we call it. So the data are stored in computer is like, I explained you one thing here. Here is a space and it is just with some boxes like this, and it is stored here 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, because computer only can understand the machine language. Computer only can understand the machine language. Okay, machine language, it is called binary, also binary. It consists of two number. Binary, it consists of two number, two digit 0 and 1, that it is called binary. So everything you entered, every digit, every number and every alphabet or that much you are entered in a computer is first converted into binary or machine language, and then it stored like this. It's stored in the memory like this. Okay, and this one place is called bit. One place is called bit. So here one more thing is there, ki 8 bit it is called 1 byte. 8 bit it is called 1 byte. मैं यहाँ पर और एक तो बॉक्स बना दे रहा हूँ और 1. ओके, तो यहाँ पर देखो 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bit is there. So in 8 bit, a total all is called byte. All is called 1 byte. Okay, so like this 1024 byte is 1 kilobyte. KB, kilobyte. Just like that 1024 KB is 1 MB, megabyte, and 1024 MB it is 1 GB, gigabyte. Okay, just like that these are the bit, byte, KB, MB, GB. All these are unit of memory. All these are unit of memory. Okay.